Hello guys, good afternoon. Today's video I will be showing you how to remove this lower plastic trim molding panel of a Range Rover Velar L560 left side door. Okay, here again I have highlighted the actual place where the fixing clips holds the molds to the doors. As you can see, there's one both side and then another 4 fixing clips in the middles. Okay, so the only tools that we need to use is this plastic trim remover. So we just insert this one where is the line where is the fixing clips are, and then push it until it gets and it releases straight away. And then we move to the next one, and then again that's already released, and then here we just need to yep, again it's came out, and then actually I should keep going. Alright, so here, yeah, that's done as well. It came out nicely. So the next thing we need to do is to take it out, and that's it. That's your lower plastic molds